Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thank you for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. I'm putting this all over my lids. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Zulu eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the dark pink shade and put that halfway in my crease. Then I'm going to take the green shade and put that right next to it. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. Next, I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and putting that right on top of that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Now I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Wispy Crisscross lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm going to use the Touch and Saw No Pore Blem Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this in the same places where I put the orange corrector at. And I'm just changing up my routine just a little bit because I usually use this after my foundation, but now I'm doing it before I use that. Next, I'm using the ABA setting powder again to set where I had that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425 Warm Olive. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. While that concealer is setting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in dark to contour my nose as well as bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Setting Brightening Loose Setting Powder in Peach to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to use that shade. To highlight, I'm using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette again. I'm just going to use the shimmer shade out of there. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the DLS Lip Gloss. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed the smoky eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos as well as comment, because I would love to hear from all of you. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. And everything I use as well as all my social media handles will be listed in the description box. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.